Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making cinnamon French toast. You will need 4 slices of brioche bread, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, combine the cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and sugar. Whisk until well combined, then set it aside until later. In another dish, add your eggs, milk, and vanilla extract, then mix until well incorporated. Now add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients, then mix until well combined. Now dredge the bread in the egg mixture on both sides, then place on a wire rack. Preheat your pan to medium-high heat, then melt your butter. Now add your bread to the pan and allow it to cook for 3 minutes on both sides. After your toast is done, remove it from the pan, and then it is ready to serve. French toast is one of my favorite breakfasts, and I hope you give this easy recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab